Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 5th October 2021. So today topic is super and this keyword. So now I will first explain you super keyword. So what is super keyword? Super keyword is a reference variable which is used into the subclass for accessing the data of the parent class. So whenever it's create the instance of the super class and instance of the subclass is create the implicity, and then it's create the object of reference variable of the subclass into subclass of the parent class. Then we are refer a super keyword for the using the instance variable of the parent class. We are refer a super keyword for access the parent class method. We are using a super keyword for access the constructor of the parent class into the immediate parent class into the subclass. So whenever we want to access the parent class constructor methods and variables into the child class, we can call the super method or super keyword into the child class. We can access all the data by using the super keyword. Then when we declare the constructor into the parent class, and then we want to call that parent class constructor into the another class, then we create a child class of that parent class, and then we can call that constructor of parent class into the subclass, uh, declaring or calling the constructor of that child class, and into that child class constructor we call the super keyword of parent class. And so into the super keyword we are giving the data of the parent class constructor. If we declare the data of constructor into the parent class, then we are directly access that data from the child class. For example, take one example. Create a class A, then create a super variables, which is a super string color equals to red, and then we are taking one method into the another class, and then we are again call one variable of the subclass which is a string color red, and then both color are same, so it's both are accessible into the child class by using by creating the object of the child class. So we are seeing the red and black color both because the super class accessible to the child class. So same thing for the method. We can create a method whenever we don't want to create an object of the parent class, then we call the super method into the child class. For example, create a method into the parent class A, and then void display, and then create another class B, extend class A, and then create a same method which is we declare into the parent class, so void display, and then access that parent class method into the child class by using the super keyword super dot display. It means that whenever we want to declare the method of the parent class, it means that it's a method of overridden. It's doing the overridden of the methods, and then it's showing the all display method to the user. We don't need to create an individual object of the parent class. We can directly accessible by super keyword. So same thing for the constructor. If we are declare the constructor into the parent class, it's directly accessible into the child class, and we can access the all data of that parent class constructor. We can access that data into the child class. So A super keyword is very useful for the child and parent class both. It creates the relationship between the child and parent class. So another topic is this keyword. This keyword is very useful into the Java because it is used for the instantiate class or instantiate variable or instance methods. This keyword is not used for the child class. It's not used for the another class. It's only used for the current class. We can't access this keyword into another class. This keyword is refer to use a instance variable. This keyword is used to refer a instance method. This keyword is used to refer a constructor. If we declare the constructor into the current class, then we can passing the same variable, which is instance variable is also same, and the local variable of the constructor is also same. Then we can identify that both variable by using this keyword. For example, class A, then create a constructor of A, and then first declare the instance variable integer roll number, and then into the constructor bracket we declare the roll number parameter, which is integer roll number. It means that both instance and local variable are same. So we using this keyword because this keyword is used to refer instance method variable and constructor. So this dot roll number equals to roll number. So it means that local variable allocating the memory to the instance variable. So we are using this keyword for same thing for the method. If we declare the method of the current class and then we access that method to the another method of the current class, then we use this keyword of the method and that method name. For example, take one class of A and then create one method void display and then give this some printing statement hello, and then create another method which is a void display 2, and then access that first method by using this keyword this dot, and then first we print the method 2 printing statement which is hello or bye, and then we access that first method by using this keyword this dot display. And now we can access both printing statement of the current class or instance class by using this method. Then same thing for the constructor. If we have to declare the default constructor, then we can use this keyword to call the default constructor. Default constructor means take one example, class A, then create a object of that constructor, create a constructor of that class A. It means that A, and then it's default, and then only print one statement is hello, and then take another constructor which have one parameter which is a roll number, which is an integer number, and then create an instance variable first, integer A equals to 10, integer A equals to integer A, and then access that variable to another constructor by using this keyword. So this dot A equals to A, and then create one method, and then create one method which is display, and display that roll number, and then create another main method which on creating the object of the A class, and then in that object we declare the constructor number which is 10. So now one is a default and another one is a parameter as constructor, so both are the accessible because of this keyword. So we are seeing the output which is a hello and 10, because into the first default constructor we are printing the hello, and second one we are printing the 10. So whenever we declare the another constructor, we are declaring this keyword because of the default constructor. This keyword is calling the default constructor. So this keyword is used for the method, block, and variable for the access the instance variable, instance class, and instance block. So that's why we are using this keyword whenever we want to access only the instance data, instance class data, then we can access that data by using this keyword. So these two keywords are first one is a super and second one is a this. So I'm trying to explain by trying to explain. Thank you.